Anyway, I got a good signal. This is actually my first signal of today. Already dug it right beside a picnic table here. And there's the plug. There's the target. But look at this. I've never found anything like this before. Can you guys sort of see through that design a little bit? Let me turn this over. Look at that. First signal here. Swastika. I am not sure what this was off, but you could see a pin or something went here. But man, that's a good way to start. That's a really cool relic, that's for sure. I didn't expect to find this here actually. This property used to have a trading post on it from the late 1700s, up to about maybe 1812, 1830, somewhere in there. So I'm a little surprised to find this. But still, that's pretty sweet. Let's keep moving. See it right there? This, most of you guys might already know what this is. This is a harmonica reed, so in the middle of the harmonica, this is exactly what you blow through, and that produces the music. So that's old, probably early 1900s. Got another little type of a buckle in the hole there. Oops. This one's, actually I don't even think this is a buckle, but it is. It's off of something, that's for sure. A little bit of a rivet type thing right in here, right in front of my finger. So I don't know what that is or what it's come off of. But anyway, I'm going to kick around in here a little bit. Maybe in this 10 by 10 foot area and go slow, go low, and see if I can pick up anything else. There's a lot of nails in here, but I was getting that high tone. Ooh, what's that? See that right there? I wonder what that is. Large cent, something like that. That's an old piece of copper. Old piece of copper, that's for sure. I'm gonna have to, by the look of this, clean it up and see what it is. But that's alright, kind of kissed it a little bit right in there. Damn. Oh well. Anyway, that's pretty sweet. Give me a couple of minutes and we'll have a gander at this and see what it is. Well, I cleaned it up a little bit and it's pretty much roasted. I might be able, after some more looking into that, there might be something down here when the sun hits it right, might be able to make something out, but that's not bad. Nice piece of copper, that's for sure. Definitely has some age to it. You can see a little bit there with the sun hitting the angles. Anyway, that's pretty sweet. This could be an old one. I've dug it. It's actually down here. You guys see it right at the very bottom, right here. Let's pull this out and see what it is. It looks good. It looks old. And it is. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. 1887. Man, I scored one of those on my last dig. This is gonna run. Oh, Victoria. Actually, I think the 1887 was a 5-cent piece. It wasn't a dime, but a little fried on that side, detail-wise. Let me see if I can get some shade here a little bit. There we go. See, it's a little... A lot of these are rated based on the details in the portrait and in her hair, especially these Victorias. But that's a nice old deep silver, that's for sure. Right there, 1887, sweet. This might demand a couple of bucks. I think all the ones in the 1880s do. So this is even in the condition it's in, it should fetch a little bit. Not the oldest coin today. That copper we got, I'm pretty sure that's 1700 material, 1770s, somewhere in there. It could even be slightly earlier, but I'm not 100%. Well, another mid-tone. I could be completely wrong on this one, but it was a nice mid-tone. Even after I scanned it, it's still in the hole as far as I know. So, let's see what this is. Okay. And it's not a large cent at all. It's a piece of trash. Mid-tone. Aluminum bottle cap, unfortunately. That's what metal detecting is all about right there. You got to take this stuff before you can get the good stuff. It's all mixed in together. And sometimes you get fooled. Yeah, that's right. I'm in the trees. But I had no choice. I had a really good signal. It's not in here. It's in here. So, you know what we're going to do. We're going to find it. It was given a really kind of a bit of a sketchy high pitch. It was hitting the mid-tone like a penny, like a large cent, and then it would pitch higher into the silver range. So I'm a little skeptical. I have dug a little bit of trash here today, but you got to keep plugging away. Let's see what this one is. Nothing old by any means. 64. The funny thing is I've dug quite a few pennies like this, and they're all in the 60s. There was a 1960 American, and then there was a 74 Canadian. But other than that, they're all in the 60s, which is just weird. It's all within 10 years, 60 to 69, 70. Nope. Piece of trash, unfortunately. Old piece of iron. I'm guessing based on the fact that it's not very deep, probably just a penny. And there it is, penny. Nothing spectacular. It's one of the new ones.